beautiful morning. It's supposed to be raining, but perfect Brisbane morning. Get some cash out and go get those wheels, eh? Next stop was the seller's place. These wheels aren't particularly my cup of tea, but they will suit the build. We had a bit of a chit chat like we normally do about cars. Beautiful Mini Cooper S the guy owns. Threw the wheels in and we headed home. I do a lot of work around this area, and I have in the past come to this exact street to chill out while I'm waiting to get to work, you know, if I'm a bit early or when I was teaching. And when I looked at the photo, he sent me a picture of his Mini, and I looked at the picture and I went, I think I know where that is. And without looking it up on without looking it up, I drove straight to his house. That's a bit freaky. Hope he doesn't realise that. Anyway, let me get some brekkie. I'll do the bacon deluxe.
Yep.
In a meal, large.
Coke for the drink?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That'll do, thanks.
That one's $13.85. Just the second window thing.
Cheers.
That's $2.15 change.
Thank you. The bacon deluxe burger went down well, and here's our first glimpse at the wheels. What do you reckon? And God, they're so easy to handle. So light. There's the little beauties. Hi, Lucky. Question is, do I keep them white or do I paint them? The white actually doesn't, or cream doesn't actually look too bad. So these are the new wheels. You saw me grab them. The white actually looks pretty good, but I've done the bronze inside this one, and I wanted that kind of bronze look on it. My kids are telling me that the white looks good, better than, I'll just lift this up. Don't roll off, come on. So I'm trying to go for that look, not that look, but that actually looks pretty good. So let me know in the comments down below what you think I should do, because I want that gnarly look. That might look a little too crisp and clean, I think. So yeah, they look good, but they sit nice on the guard as well. So when that drops, get behind the car here, when that drops, you can just, there's the tyre there. Okay, so it's just tiny, it's basically in line with that. So yeah, let us know. I think it's a bit of a score for $500. Contessas are pretty common for that era, but my options on a limited budget aren't the greatest. These also came with a good set of Yokohama rubber. I'm very happy with that. This thing can be registered as soon as they're on, so I don't have to go and then buy tyres on top of the wheel purchase. Tell me what you think. The cream may be too crisp. What do you reckon? Bronze? Am I trying too hard? Maybe gold, but then is it too Aussie? I don't know, green and gold. Let me know in the comments. Find a bite, fix it, flip it, have some fun along the way, and remember, Rushy, ciao for now.